We've just fitted an Autowatch Ghost on this Golf GTi. Now, what is an Autowatch Ghost? What it is an immobiliser, but a digital immobiliser. So there isn't anything visible for you to actually see in the vehicle, and there's no indication that you have this immobiliser installed in your vehicle. How do you disarm it? What you do, you enter a sequence that you program yourself as a customer, and you enter that sequence and that disengages the immobiliser, and then you better start the vehicle. Without doing that, the vehicle won't start and run. So let me demonstrate. So at the moment, I haven't entered any PIN codes. I'm just going to start the vehicle up. So it starts and it cuts out. So if you just try to start it, it just won't start. So what I do need to do is enter a sequence that's been programmed in. I'll wait for the 2 flashes. Now the vehicle starts. So you've got to remember you have to do a sequence before you actually start the vehicle, but once you get used to it, it doesn't actually take that long to do. The sequence that's been programmed into it is something that I set up, and what I do, I always get the customer to change it to what they want to change it to. And to change it is quite simple. So what you need to do is turn the ignition on. Don't put your foot on the pedals at all. Enter your current PIN code. Wait for the 2 flashes. Then you put your foot hard on the accelerator and keep it there throughout the whole procedure. Enter your current PIN code again. And the indicator will start flashing back at you once every 3 seconds. Now what you do, you enter your new PIN code. So let's change it to these 2 buttons. And every time you push the button, it'll flash. And what you do, once you enter your PIN code, you wait for it to flash 3 times, and you repeat that same PIN code. And then it should flash back at you twice. Now we have changed the PIN code. We can take the foot off the accelerator, turn the ignition off. Now, if it flashed 4 times, it means that the first PIN code is seen differently to the second PIN code. So you may have made a slight mistake. And it's not an issue. All you do is turn the ignition off and start again, but it will be your original PIN code is the one that would work. So that's the Autowatch Ghost installed on this Golf GTi.